Okay guys, so I'm just heading back home. I'm driving the e90. Just got back from the shop and everything passed perfectly, guys. Brakes, the brake inspection passed, the light inspection passed, smog check, everything is good to go. So now I'm driving back and it's around 5:10. So DMV is closed, so most likely I'll be taking the car tomorrow for the VIN verification at the DMV and hopefully get my plates. So I'm gonna drive back, so see you guys in a bit. I just came out of the DMV and I got the plates with me, so the car is registered legally on the road now. So now I can start messing around with it a little bit. I will be wrapping the car. Hopefully I'll be wrapping the car sometime soon. It's not gonna be pretty soon because well, I gotta go to Mexico first for like 2 weeks on vacations, and then when I come back, then probably I can start ordering the wrap and stuff like that. I'm still not sure what color or yeah, what color should I wrap the car. But I did order some carbon fiber vinyl for the hood, because you know the hood is pretty bad. I'm not gonna paint it. I was gonna paint it, but I'm just gonna wrap the car, and I did paint the other side. I mean the driver's side, as you guys seen. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my other videos and you'll know what I'm talking about. For those of you that do know, you know, I painted that car with the spray cans and then added the clear with the paint gun. So that side's good. The paint's been holding up pretty good, but I want to wrap it. So I don't know if that's gonna be the next thing to do. The next thing to do is gonna be wait for the vinyl, the carbon fiber vinyl, and wrap the hood. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty happy because I got the plates right there. You can see it, the registration. I'm pretty happy about it. So I'm about to get home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so we're back with the E90, and of course you guys saw these coming. Painting the calipers black, but I'm gonna do red over that. So I don't know, I'm gonna do them red for right now because I have the red paint, but I want them yellow. But I ain't got nothing to do, so I'm gonna do them red right now. If I don't like it, I'm gonna switch them to yellow. So clean them, paint it black. Now I'm gonna do with the red. I'm gonna go with the red right over. Okay guys, so today's Saturday, and this right here is vinyl wrap. That's the carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I used on the BMW 750i. So yeah, I ordered some more for this one. So I'm gonna try to install it apply it on the hood to see how it goes. Because I'm not gonna paint it. At first I thought I wanted to paint it, but you know, I'm just gonna wrap it anyways, the way it is. So we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, just like last video, this is the carbon fiber wrap, and this is what it came with: a glove, something else in here, always to clean the area, adhesion promoter, a nice little blade. So this is new because it wasn't in the kit when I ordered the vinyl for the 750, but this was this and the glove. So we got a new blade. That's pretty cool. So that's what comes with the kit. The kit was $25, and it was I ordered what was that, 5 feet by 7 feet, I believe. That's what I did. I'm not sure, but I can't remember. Hopefully it's enough. So that's what it is. And this is a 5D super glossy vinyl wrap. Supposedly it's the 7D, but once you go to choose the one that you want, they don't have the 7D. So supposedly they have the 5D normal, and then they got the 5D reflective. So it's supposed to be the 7D. So we'll see how it goes again. Step, we're gonna clean the hood completely, make sure all the dust and all the particles that are on the hood, all the not the stains, but like all the crap that's on the hood, to remove it. So I'm gonna kind of wash it a bit, use with the cleaner and a towel, and then wipe it with the adhesion promoter. Okay, let's check this out. But it was a total fail, guys. I ripped it from right there, right here. So it was a total fail, guys. So I'm gonna rip that off and order some more.